Hi everybody, this is Lance from thetatraders.com. This video I'm going to go over my safeguard strategies that I'm going to be primarily implementing in 2025. I do have some other ones, so I wanted to go over two of the main ones that I'm going to be using. These are 112s and 1122 trades. So if you're interested, look at the playlist for safeguard strategy. There's a link in the description down below, or just check on my YouTube channel. So the two trades that I'm going to be doing in 2025 as my main strategies, although I have others as well, will be first the calendarized 112. So we're going to do this with MES. You're going to buy a put debit spread, the bought put at 0.15 delta, and then sell 100 with lower than that near 150 DTE for the debit of around 7. This is how you put it in. MES. I'm going to first go out to really far out, 152 days. Go around 0.15 delta and buy it. And refresh my browser here. So you're going to buy the 0.15 delta and then sell 100 with away from it. So I can buy the 44.50, buy the 43.50. This debit is typically around 7 or 8. You can see 8.6. And then leave that trade on. The next part of the strategy is to sell two puts between 0.07 to 0.1 delta. We're going to go only 26 days on this because we want this to expire, or we leave the put debit spread on as protection. And look for around 7 to 8 premium each for 16 total. Here's how you put it in. So you go around 26 days out. Around 0.07 to 0.1 delta is around the 7 premium. You can see around 8.9 here. Could probably go even lower, around 56.50, and I'm going to sell two of those. So in this case, the net profit would be 16 that you're taking in for the naked puts, minus 7 you're paying for the put debit spread, or a difference of 9. MES has a 5 multiplier, so you do 9 times 5 or $45. What's good about this trade is you're going to leave the put debit spread on and then stack those on. So after the 26 days out, we're going to do this again. Buy 150 day out, put debit spread, sell the 26 day out, and then you're going to stagger and stack a lot of those put debit spreads in case the market drops a bit. There's a little bit more management that I do if those naked puts get challenged, but that goes for members. So if you're interested, look in the membership group in the description down below this video. Next trade is a 1122 or possibly a 1111 on ES. The delta is around 0.14 and 0.09 on the put debit spread part. So we're going to go around 120 days on this. You could do this with MES if you want. I'm going to do it with ES though. So go around 120 days. Going around 0.16 delta is the expected move. I'm going to buy that. Sell the 0.09 delta. Notice that this is a really far width, almost 500, 525 width away, times a 50 multiplier. That's a really good return, $15,000 if it gets to the 5250. Then we're going to sell a defined risk 1-1 or 2-2. Going to sell around the 0.06 and buy around the 0.03 delta. So we're going to 0.06. Could sell the 49.50. And then 0.03 we're going to buy around a 45.50. And you'll do either one or two of these. You want to do this for a net credit, so you have to fiddle around the numbers a bit. I'm doing this video when the market's not open, so you should be able to get close to around 4 up to around 8. And ES has a 50 multiplier, so you could get either $200 or $400 off this trade. I'm going to stop out at 3x premium received on a big drop. However, that's going to be pretty hard to do because the put debit spread is so big. And we have almost a 325 width. So really good possible protection there if the market has a small to medium drop. If it's a big drop though, I'm going to get out of it, and I'm making this defined risk so you don't get absolutely clobbered like Volmageddon in August. All right, so these are two of some of the strategies I'm going to be doing with the 112s, 1122 trades at thetatraders.com. If you're interested in lifetime access for this strategy, click a link in the description down below. You get that. You also get the covered strangle strategy, which is up over 80% in 2024. And we're doing really well on individual stocks on covered strangles. And you also get a one-on-one Zoom call with me if you have any questions or want to go over the strategies and any general questions you have about your trading account. Again, this is Lance with datatraders.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.